Hello, my name is Jack Kowalik. I'm going to be reviewing the Shopify application in its first version, going over the integrations and reviewing an order in the activity feed. So in the integrations, the first step is thresholds, and the threshold that we're going to be focusing on here is instance 1, where order value is greater than $5,000. We don't have any global default rules, but we do have every single rule applied for order value 1 because we want to give the reviewer, or me in this case, the most information available when making their determination on whether or not to cancel or capture and approve the order. So move on to the app action mapping, and this identity verification is a sneak peek, probably won't be even visible in the first version of the application. So what we're going to be focusing on in the action mapping is instance 1, of course, where order value is greater than $5,000. We have it mapped directly to the review required state, which holds the Shopify order with a fulfillment hold, if applicable. Instance 2, we could also demonstrate this mapped directly to the rejected state. So we'll place an order now that will trigger instance 1, and that could be anything greater than $5,000. It'll send it to a manually reviewed state and apply all of those rules. So it may take a little bit longer to do all of the evaluations before it appears on the activity feed, probably maximum like 20 seconds, because of the fact that we applied every single rule to this threshold that's getting triggered right now. So it shouldn't take any longer than a few more seconds to do all of those evaluations. And then we'll work on blacklisting the customer. Here it is. And here's all of the evaluations. Of course, the rapid order sequence and these are triggered because I have been testing with these credentials on this store kind of a lot. So we'll reject the order, blacklist the customer's customer ID, payment card, and cancel the order as well. This will apply all of those actions, blacklisting customer and cancel the order. So now we'll place just any order that wouldn't trigger any other thresholds to show you that. And I just got the canceled email for that order now, if you could hear it. And I'll apply the same customer ID that was applied and the same card just to be sure. The blacklist will be applied here, and you'll hear, and I'll actually have my phone next to me. It'll confirm the order and then probably deny it almost a few seconds after, probably 2 seconds after. There it was, just got the canceled notification, and it shouldn't take too long to apply the actual rejected final state so that we can see it appear in our activity feed here either. And probably one more, there it is. And of course, customer is blacklisted, the order was rejected and also voided, if you can see here in the, there we go. So that basically encompasses the base flow. I do have another tutorial out that explains more features in depth that you can view, but thank you for listening and considering Authorize Earth.